When a marriage grows cold, a specific reflex takes hold. We panic. We push for conversation, trying to close the gap and force emotional warmth back into the room through sheer willpower. This drive for reassurance often backfires. Cornering a disconnected partner to demand safety strips away the very security we're looking for, turning a potential connection into a high-stakes interrogation. When we try to resolve deep pain while the nervous system is in fight or flight, the rational brain shuts down. We aren't communicating. We are simply reacting to a perceived threat. Pushing for a breakthrough in this state is like trying to force a spring harvest in the middle of January. Digging into frozen soil doesn't produce fruit. It only damages the roots. To survive the freeze, we have to look at the relationship through a biological lens. A healthy marriage operates in cycles. A collapse can be a natural phase of that life cycle, rather than a sign of terminal failure. In this model, every relationship eventually enters Season 3, collapse. This is the phase where old communication habits and unsustainable patterns finally fall away. That fall leads into Season 4, marital dormancy. This is an intentional pause, moving the focus away from the friction of the relationship and into a period of quiet. During this phase, you stop trying to fix the marriage. Instead, you redirect every ounce of energy toward your own individual, spiritual, and emotional recalibration. Entering this winter requires a different kind of effort. It is a period of rigorous, active preparation that must occur before the soil is ready for a thaw. Surviving Season 4 requires a shift in how you use your words. Communication moves from a place of extracting what you need to a place of offering grace. We call this the message in a bottle. You send brief, stable updates about your own progress without any demand or expectation that your partner will acknowledge them. This replaces the destructive habit of needs fulfillment conversations. To a spouse who is already disconnected, a sentence like, "I need you to listen better," sounds like a critique of their failure rather than an invitation to talk. When you drop the demands, you often face total silence. Sustaining your own progress while receiving no reply measures your individual spiritual stamina. Relationship safety begins to rebuild when an individual no longer relies on their spouse's validation to regulate their own internal peace. Biologically, you cannot navigate this season if your nervous system is constantly spiked. You have to actively slow down to prevent reactive, trauma-driven arguments. Written reflection, like the DPAR process, is the mechanism used to slow that system down. It filters out raw anger, logically structuring your thoughts before they are voiced. The physical act of writing acts as an emotional container. It is the brain time to process and the spirit time to intervene before you react. In the work of marriage repair, one rule stands as a non-negotiable checkpoint. If you do not have the spirit, do not talk. Operating out of panic or pride immediately drops communication into the animal brain. Once you are there, you are guaranteed to cause further damage. During the winter season, maintaining disciplined, intentional silence protects the relationship's foundation far better than uninspired, reactive talk ever could. Relational healing often finds its footing when both spouses stop pushing for it. By stepping back, you create the very space that a bruised relationship needs to breathe. Sustained individual integrity and quiet boundaries organically rebuild the foundation of trust over time. You prove you are safe not by what you say, but by who you are becoming in the silence. Eventually, this natural cycle leads to a gentle re-entry into Season 1, courtship. The ice thaws, and spouses meet each other again as refined, more self-aware individuals. Surviving the winter allows for the birth of a new and resilient covenant, one that isn't built on the fragile patterns of the past. A frozen, silent marriage often hides necessary root work happening beneath the snow. Letting go of the illusion of control means stopping the attempt to force the spring and submitting to the refining work of the winter. By allowing God to rebuild both individuals from the roots up, a new season is possible. To learn how to prepare for the coming thaw, explore the marriage repair workshops at Life Changing Services.